Hi everyone! Today I will be showing you how you can make a macrame diamond pattern. This pattern was shown in my last video where I went over 3 different methods on how to layer your macrame wall hangings. This was the centerpiece in that example, so I decided I should show you guys how you can make that and incorporate this pattern into your wall hangings. Let's get started. For this pattern you're going to need 6 ropes, and I've attached mine with a lark's head knot. Our first step is to make 2 diamonds, both with 6 ropes. I will start here on the left side using these 6 ropes. Find your 2 ropes that are in the middle. These will be our filler cords for when we tie our double half-hitch knots. The rope on the left side is going to go down to the diagonal to the left. Now I'm going to take that other center rope and point it down and diagonal to the right. Again, tying 2 double half-hitch knots. Now before I finish tying my diamond, I'm going to use the 4 ropes here in the middle to tie a square knot. Now I will complete my diamond. I'll take the string here on the far left and go down to the diagonal to the right and tie 2 double half-hitch knots. Now I will repeat the same on the right side. So the string on the far right points down to the left and I tie 2 double half-hitch knots. I'm going to connect the bottom part of my double half-hitch knot by taking those 2 ropes that we used as the filler cords and just tying another double half-hitch knot. So I'm going to use the rope here on the right as the filler cord and use the one on the left to actually tie the knot. I will repeat the same pattern using the 6 ropes here on the right. So again, I'm using the 2 ropes here in the middle. The left side points down to the left and the right side points down to the right. And I tie 2 double half-hitch knots on both of these ropes. tie one square knot using the 4 ropes in the middle. And now I just finish my diamond. Now I will be making another diamond in the center. So to start this diamond, I'm going to connect these 2 diamonds together. I'm just going to take the one on the right over and tie a double half-hitch knot around it. Then continuing to use this same string, I'm going to follow this line and do more double half-hitch knots. Now I'm going to do the other side and go down and to the right. And to do this, I'm going to be using this rope right here. So kind of the first one popping out on this side. Now you have the option of tying another square knot in the center, or you can leave it straight down and not put anything in your center. I'm just going to leave it blank because that is what I did in my last little video that showed this pattern. So I'm going to leave it as I did before, but this is a little optional step that you guys can take creative freedom on. And now I'm just going to finish the diamond. And now to add a little extra dimension to this center diamond and to match the little top part here, I'm going to take the 2 ropes on either side and just add another row of double half-hitch knots following our diagonal. Now I will be taking the rope here and tying 2 double half-hitch knots to the diagonal to the left. And as you can already see, the side here on the right is already finished. So now I'm going to use these 4 ropes to tie a square knot. Now I will finish the diamond. Now I'm going to repeat on the right side. So for the right side, I've already done the diagonal to the left, so I'm going to take this rope and go down and to the right. I will tie one square knot with these 4 ropes right in the middle. Now to complete my diamond, I will be using this rope to go down to the diagonal and tie 2 double half hitch knots. And there you go. This is my completed diamond pattern. This pattern is great. You could make this as long as you want. You could make this even wider by adding more ropes. It's totally up to you. You could switch out the designs you do in the center of your diamonds as well. You have some freedom with this cool pattern. So I hope you guys found this video helpful and inspiring, and thank you so much for watching.